Problem: find the equation of the straight line passing through the points -1, 2 and 5, -1, and also find the area of the triangle formed by it with the axis of coordinates. Solution: what we have to find, we have to find the equation of a straight line which is passing through 2 points, and the second thing, we have to find the area of a triangle formed by this straight line with the coordinate axis. So the equation of the straight line passing through the points A of -1, 2 and B of 5, -1 is the equation of a straight line having 2 points, that is 2-point form, is y minus y1, that is y1, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. Y minus y1, that is 2, into x1 minus x2, that is -1 minus 5, is equal to y1 minus y2, 2 plus 1 into x minus x1, that is x plus 1. Now simplifying, we will get, this implies y minus 2 into -6 is equal to, y minus 2 is equal to into -6, 3 into x plus 1. This implies 3 ones are 3 twos are. This implies y minus 2 into -2 is equal to x plus 1. This implies minus 2y plus 4 is equal to x plus 1. Take all terms one side. X plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the straight line. Now we have to, second question, now we have to find the area of a triangle formed by this straight line with the coordinate axis. So I am going to transform this one into intercept form. Now x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. This one can be written as x plus 2y is equal to 3. This one can be written as x by 3 plus 2y by 3 is equal to 1. This implies x by 3 plus y by 3 by 2 is equal to 1. Here x-intercept A is equal to 3. Y-intercept B is equal to 3 by 2. The area of the triangle formed by the straight line x by A plus y by B is equal to 1, and the coordinate axis is half modulus of A into B. Therefore, what you will get now, which is nothing but half modulus of A value we got as 3 and B value we got as 3 by 2, which is equal to half modulus of 9 by 2. Since 9 by 2 is positive, we will get half into 9 by 2. Since 9 by 2 is positive, which is nothing but 9 by 4 square units is the answer. Next problem. A triangle of area 24 square units is formed by a straight line and the coordinate axis in the first quadrant. Find the equation of the straight line if it passes through the point 3, 4. Solution. We have to find the equation of a straight line which is passes through 3, 4 that makes an area of a triangle with this coordinate axis is 24. So let the required equation of the straight line in intercept form be x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Equation number 1. Given that the required equation of a straight line passes through this point. Given that 1 passes through the point 3, 4. Then what you will get in place of x and y substitute 3 by a plus 4 by b is equal to 1. This implies 3 by a is equal to 1 minus 4 by b. Now here I am going to take the LCM. So what you are going to get here? This implies 3 by a is equal to b minus 4 by b. Now this implies 3b by b minus 4 is equal to a. Cross multiply. Let us take this one as equation number 2. Equation number 2. Given that the area of triangle formed by equation number 1 and the coordinate axis is 24 square units. That is half modulus of a into b is equal to 24. This implies modulus of ab is equal to 48. Cross multiply. Now I am substituting this a value here. This implies modulus of what you will get here 3b by b minus 4 into b is equal to 48 by equation number 2. This implies modulus of 3b square by b minus 4 is equal to 48. Therefore, this one can be written as 3b square by b minus 4 is equal to 48. Since the equation 1 lie in the first quadrant clearly given in the statement, this implies x-intercept a is positive, y-intercept B is positive. A is positive means this part is positive, that is this bracket is positive. B is positive. Positive into positive is positive. Therefore, this value is positive. Modulus of positive will get the same thing. This implies 3b square by b minus 4 is positive. So, I can remove the modulus. Now, this implies 3 ones are 3 16s are. This implies b square by b minus 4 is equal to 16. Now cross multiply, b square is equal to 16 into b minus 4. Now take all terms. Now first multiply 16, then take all terms one side. If I multiply with 16, I will get that b square is equal to 16b minus 16 into 4 is 64. This implies, now take all terms one side, b square minus 16b plus 64 is equal to 0. This implies b square minus 2 into b into 8 plus 8 square is equal to 0. 2 8s are 16, 8 square is 64. It is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is nothing but b minus 8 whole square is equal to 0. This implies b minus 8 is equal to 0. This implies b is equal to 8. Therefore, equation number 2 implies, what is A? A is nothing but 3b by b minus 4. Now substitute this b value, you will get 3 into 8 by 8 minus 4. Nothing but 3 into 8 by 4. 4 ones are, 4 twos are, that is 6. Therefore, A is equal to 6, B is equal to 8. Substituting A is equal to 6, B is equal to 8 in equation number 1, what we got? We get x by 6 plus y by 8 is equal to 1. Now taking LCM, we will get LCM as 24. 4x plus 3y is equal to 1. Now cross multiply, we will get that 4x plus 3y is equal to 24. This implies 4x plus 3y minus 24 is equal to 0 is the required equation of the straight line. This is the answer we have to get. Next problem. A straight line with slope 1 passes through q of minus 3 comma 5 and meets the straight line x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0 at P. Find the distance PQ. Solution. What is the given? Suppose this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. A straight line having slope 1 and passes through this one. Let us take this is a straight line having the slope 1 and passes through the point Q. This straight line meets the another straight line. This is another straight line, that is x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is going to meet at the point P. Then we have to find the distance between PQ. What is the distance between PQ? Now, what is the given? the equation of the straight line having slope m is equal to 1, that is given, and passes through the point q of minus 3 comma 5 is the equation of a straight line having slope m and passes through the point p of x1 comma y1 is, that is the point flow form, that is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is x1 and this is y1. This implies y minus 5 is equal to 1 into x plus 3. This implies y minus 5 is equal to x plus 3. This implies x minus 5 plus 8 is equal to 0. Equation number 1. This is that line. What is the given? This one is x minus 5 plus 8 is equal to 0. Now given that this straight line meeting the another straight line at P, means if I take a point of intersection of these two lines, I will get the point P. Given another line is x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Now solving 1 and 2, we will get the point P. Now solving equation number 1 and 2, we get, that is x, y, 1. What is the equation number 1? I am writing in a rough part here. X minus y plus 8 is equal to 0. And the equation number 2 is x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. These two equations we got. Now I am going to solve this one. Now first I am writing equation number 1 terms. First coefficient of y, then constant, then coefficient of x, then again coefficient of y. That is first this one, then next this one. Same thing with this one. 1 minus 6, 1, 1. This implies x by cross multiply 6 minus multiply this to 8. Y by multiply this to 8 minus multiply this 2. That is you will get minus 6. Minus 6 means plus 6, which is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1. This implies x by minus 2, y by 14, 1 by 2. This implies x is equal to minus 2 by 2, y is equal to 14 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 sevens are. This implies x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 7. Therefore, the point of intersection of equation number 1 and 2 is P of minus 1 comma 7. Now the distance between P of minus 1 comma 7 and Q of minus 3 comma 5 is PQ is equal to under root, the distance between 2 points is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this one can be written as minus 3 plus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 7 whole square. Nothing but under root minus 2 square plus minus 2 square, which is nothing but under root 4 plus 4. Nothing but under root 8. Under root 8 can be written as 2 root 2. Under root 8 can be written as 2 root 2 is the required answer. Now next problem. Find the point on the straight line. Find the point on the straight line 3x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0, which is equidistant from the points minus 5 comma 6 and 3 comma 2. Solution. Now I have to find the point on this straight line which is equidistant from this one and this one. So first, what is the given straight line? Given straight line is 3x plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Equation number 1. Now given points are A minus 5 comma 6 and B 3 comma 2. Let P of x1 comma y1, or you can take alpha comma beta. Let us take instead of this one, okay, x1 comma y1 be a point on the straight line. Let P of x1 comma y1 be a point on the straight line. Since this point is on the straight line, then it will satisfy this equation, that is then 3x1 plus y1 plus 4 is equal to 0. Equation number 2. On the straight line, equation number 1, then it satisfies the equation. Now also given that point whose distance from this one and this one both are same. Since distance of PA is equal to PB by the hypothesis, means by the quotient, distance of the point P from A and point P from B is same. Now I am making squaring on both sides. We will get PA square is equal to PB square. This implies, since square is there, in the distance formula we will get under root and square get cancelled. So distance between PA now, x1 plus 5 whole square plus y1 minus 6 whole square is equal to distance between PB, that is x1 minus 3 whole square plus y1 minus 2 whole square. This implies it is in the form of a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. It is in the form of a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab plus a square plus b square minus 2ab. x1 square, y1 square get cancelled. So what you will get here, 10x1 minus 12y1 plus 25 plus 36. 25 plus 6 is 31. 31 plus 30 is 61, which is equal to minus 6x1 minus 4y1. 9 plus 4 is 13. Now I am taking all terms one side. 10x1 plus 6x1 is 16x1. Minus 12y1 plus 4y1 is minus 8y1. 61 minus 13. 61 minus 13 is 48 is equal to 0. From these 3 I can take 8 common. If I take 8 common, I will get that. If I take 8 common, I will get 8 into 2x1 minus y1 plus 6 is equal to 0. Now send this 8 to that side. We will get 2x1 minus y1 plus 6 is equal to 0. Let us take equation number 3. Solving equation number 2 and 3, we get, what is the equation here? X, y, 1. Equation number 2 is 3x1 plus y1 plus 4. So here I can write 1, 4, 3, 1. And for equation number 3, I can write that minus 1, 6, 2, minus 1. Now solving these two, we will get x by 6 minus 1 into 4 is minus 4. Here we will get plus 4. Y by 8 minus 18. 1 by minus 3 minus 2. This implies x by 10, y by minus 10, 1 by minus 5. This implies x is equal to 10 by minus 5, y is equal to minus 10 by minus 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are, minus minus get cancelled, 5 ones are 5 twos are. This implies x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 2. Therefore, the point P of x1 comma y1 is equal to minus 2. Sorry, this is x1 y1, x1 y1, x1 y1 is minus 2 comma 2 is the required answer. Next problem. A straight line through the point P of 3 comma 4 makes an angle of 60 degrees with the positive direction of the x-axis. Find the coordinates of the points on the line which are 5 units away from the point P. We have to find the points on the line which are at a distance of 5 units from the point P. What is that line? A straight line which passes through the point 3 comma 4 and makes an angle 60 degrees with the positive direction of x-axis. Now solution. Given point P of 3 comma 4, given point P of, let us take P of x1 comma y1 is equal to 3 comma 4. Now second thing, angle made with the positive direction of x-axis is theta is equal to 60 degrees. Also, what is the given? The distance of the point from P is 5 units. That is modulus of R is equal to 5. This implies R is equal to plus or minus 5. R is equal to plus or minus 5. Let Q of x comma y be any point on the line. This point we have to find. Let Q of x comma y be any point on the line. By the parametric equation, we have, what is the parametric equation? X is equal to x1 plus r cos theta, y is equal to y1 plus r sin theta. That is, x is equal to, what is x1 is 3 plus r cos 60, y is equal to, y1 is 4 plus r sin 60. This implies 3 plus r. Now cos 60 value is 1 by 2 and sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. This implies x is equal to 3 plus r by 2 and y is equal to 4 plus r root 3 by 2. R root 3 by 2. Now for different r values we will get different x and y values. So case 1, if r is equal to plus 5 and case 2 r is equal to minus 5. So let us start with case 1. If r is equal to 5, then what is x? Then here you will get x is equal to 3 plus 5 by 2 and y is equal to 4 plus 5 root 3 by 2, which is equal to LCM 6 plus 5 by 2 nothing but 11 by 2 and here y 8 plus 5 root 3 by 2. Therefore the point Q of x comma y is equal to 11 by 2 comma 8 plus 5 root 3 by 2 in this case. In this case, case 2, if r is equal to minus 5, then x is equal to 3 minus 5 by 2 and y is equal to 4 minus 5 root 3 by 2. This implies 8 minus 5 by 2 nothing but 3 by 2 and here y you will get 8 minus 5 root 3 by 2. Therefore the point Q of x comma y is equal to 3 by 2 comma 8 minus 5 root 3 by 2 in this case. Therefore the coordinates of the points are, first one is 11 by 2 comma 8 plus 5 root 3 by 2 and second one is 3 by 2 comma 8 minus 5 root 3 by 2 is the answer. Problem: a straight line through Q of root 3 comma 2 makes an angle pi by 6 with the positive direction of the x-axis if the straight line intersects the line root 3x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0 at P. Find the distance PQ. Solution. What is the given point? Given point Q of x1 comma y1 is equal to root 3 comma 2. The angle made with the positive direction of x-axis, positive direction of x-axis is theta is equal to pi by 6. Then slope is equal to, slope m is equal to tan 60, tan pi by 6, nothing but tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is nothing but 1 by root 3. The equation of the straight line having slope m is equal to 1 by root 3 and passing through q of root 3 comma 2 is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. That is y minus 2 is equal to 1 by root 3 into x minus root 3. X minus root 3. Now I can make a cross multiply. If I make a cross multiply, I will get that root 3y minus 2 root 3 is equal to x minus root 3. Now take all terms one side, x minus root 3y minus root 3 plus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. This implies x minus root 3y plus root 3 is equal to 0. Equation number 1. Now what is the given in the statement? In the question that this line meets the another straight line at P. Given another line. Given another line is under root 3 x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. Let us take equation number 2. Solving 1 and 2, we get x y1. From equation number 1 we will get minus root 3 1 minus root 3. From equation number 2 we will get minus 4 8 root 3 minus 4. This implies x by minus 8 root 3 and this one you will get plus 4 root 3 is equal to y by root 3 into root 3 is 3 minus 8 is equal to 1 by minus 4 plus root 3. Minus 4 plus 3. Root 3 into root 3 we will get 3. This implies x by minus 4 root 3, y by minus 5, 1 by minus 1. So here I am going to cancel minus minus minus. This implies x is equal to 4 root 3, y is equal to 5. Therefore the point of intersection of 1 and 2 is P of x comma y, which is nothing but 4 root 3 comma 5. Now we have to find the distance between PQ. The distance between the points P, just now we got P as 4 root 3 comma 5 and Q is given in the statement that root 3 comma 2 is PQ is equal to under root x2 minus x1, that is 4 root 3 minus root 3 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square, nothing but under root 3 root 3 whole square plus 3 square, nothing but 3 square into root 3 square plus 9. nothing but under root. Square and under root get cancelled. We will get this one as 3 cube plus 9 is nothing but under root 27 plus 9, which is nothing but under root 36. Under root 36 is nothing but 6. Therefore, the distance PQ is equal to 6 units. This is the required answer. This is the required answer. Now, this one I am going to give as a homework, this problem. Find the area of the triangle formed by the straight lines 2x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0, x minus 5y plus 11 is equal to 0, and x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a homework problem. I will explain how to solve this one, a very easy problem. Just here we have to find the area of a triangle by the straight line. This is the one straight line. Let us take this one. 2x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the another straight line. X minus 5y plus 11 is equal to 0. And this is the third straight line. X plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Solve equation number 1 and 2. We will get this point A. Solve 2 and 3. We will get this one B. Solve 1 and 3. We will get C. After finding the three vertices, already we know the formula of area of a triangle. Already we have solved some of the problems, and already we have discussed before starting the first unit the area of a triangle whose vertices are A of x1 comma y1, B of x2 comma y2, and C of x3 comma y3 is half modulus of x1, x2, x3, x1 in the second line y1, y2, y3, y1, and you can simplify, and the answer you have to get is 9 square units. 9 square unit. This is the answer you have to get. Try to solve the question.